We are in American Village, and I am here for Mr. Donut. Hey guys, how's it going? It's a beautiful rainy day here in Okinawa, Japan, and I'm in American Village right now, and I wanted to do a review on the Halloween Mr. Donut donuts. So here we are at Mr. Donut in American Village at the Jesco, or the Aeon. And we're gonna go inside and try some of these donuts out. I don't know which ones I'm gonna get, but I'm definitely gonna try this ghost one. And maybe I'll try that one because those seem to be like the main ones. Let's see what we got. So we start here, get a tray, and get a grabber, and look, they have orange and white ones, I think for Halloween. It's pretty cool. All right, here's the coconut ghost one. Gotta get that one. It's so cute. Wrapped pink mummy, flappy bat, wrapped chocolate mummy, black cat. I'm gonna get the flappy bat. That'll probably be it. I'll just grab it like this. All right, so I got Mr. Batty here and the coconut one. Let's try them out. I'll try Mr. Coconut. Ate his eyes. That one's really good. Fun fact about Mr. Donuts. I believe it's owned by Dunkin' Donuts. So, I haven't had a Dunkin' Donut in a long time, but I mean, they're the same company, they might be similar. I don't know. Before I finish that, I'm gonna take a bite out of Mr. Bat here. Let's give it a try. That one's really good too. I should describe the flavors. So let me describe the coconut one. It's light, fluffy, berry, coconutty, but it's not too sweet. And this one, it's supposed to be a chocolate donut. Some sort of berry on top. It tastes like a basic chocolate donut, but the top part, I'm having a hard time distinguishing the top. It kind of tastes like a berry, just like a standard berry flavor. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not exactly sure what berry. Kids here getting some donuts too. I just realized those are probably really bad descriptions of what these taste like, but they are really good. Oh, there's another coconut, and she got the strawberry guy. Oh, he's cute.
Yeah, he's supposed to be like a zombie.
No, he's a mummy, right?
Paper straws.
Okay, let's take a bite out of him. I'll just take a small bite. Just kidding. You had no hope for him?
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna be like that. My favorite still by far is probably the coconut. I haven't had this one.
I like this one. This one's really strong strawberry flavor.
Is this what vlogger couples do? Like,
Hey, you're encroaching on my territory this time.
well, I just wanted donuts.
that was it, the Mr. Donuts Halloween collection. They have five special donuts. You have Coconut Man, Batman, a cat woman, strawberry stick thing, and this Choco guy. I've tried all of them except for Choco guy, and I can tell you that the coconut one is really, really good and amazing. They've all been, the ones that I've tried anyway, have all been good, but coconut one is the best. And if you really like strawberry, that's a strong strawberry flavor. So, highly recommend it. That is the 2020 season of Halloween Mr. Donuts. And yeah, come check it out. Highly recommend it. So thanks so much guys for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. And if you love Japan, Okinawa, whatever. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.